The Kia Ceed III, introduced in 2018, features front fog lights designed to improve visibility in challenging weather conditions, such as fog, rain, or mist. Fog lights project a wide, low-beam pattern that helps cut through poor visibility conditions, providing better road illumination while minimizing glare for oncoming traffic. The front fog lamp switch allows you to easily enable or disable these lights. Note that fog lights are optional on base model trims, but come standard or as an option on higher trim levels. The fog lamp switch is usually located on the light control stalk on the left side of the steering column. It can also be found near the hazard light button on the dashboard. In facelifted 2021 and later models, it might be a dedicated push button with a fog lamp icon. To enable the fog lights on your Kia Ceed III, first ensure that your low-beam headlights are turned on. Fog lights are designed to only activate when the low beams are active for safety reasons. Next, locate and press the fog lamp switch on the dashboard control panel. This is typically a button with a fog light symbol showing beams with wavy lines. Once pressed, a green indicator light will illuminate on the dashboard, confirming that the fog lights are now active and ready to use. Finally, if your vehicle uses halogen fog lights, you may hear a characteristic pop sound as they activate. LED fog lights operate silently. To disable the fog lights manually, press the fog lamp switch again. The green indicator light on the dashboard will turn off, confirming the lights are deactivated. Fog lights also disable automatically in two scenarios. First, when the headlights are switched off. Second, when high beams are engaged. This automatic feature prevents glare that could distract oncoming traffic. Safety considerations are essential when using fog lights on your Kia Ceed III. Use fog lights only in conditions with poor visibility, less than 100 meters. Using them on dry roads can dazzle other drivers, creating safety hazards. Always check local laws regarding fog light usage, as they may be restricted in certain areas or during specific times. For example, some UK areas have restrictions on fog light use. The fog light switch connects to the vehicle's body control module, or BCM, which powers the lamps via a relay. The system operates on 12-volt DC, drawing approximately 5 to 10 Ahs per lamp. LED fog lights, increasingly common, are more energy efficient, using 50% less power than halogen bulbs. Proper aiming, factory set at 1% above horizontal, is vital. Incorrect adjustment can lead to fines. Automotive lighting trends emphasize integration and smart features. Modern Kia Ceed III models increasingly pair fog lights with automatic high beam assist, which dims them during high beam use. The shift to LED technology is also significant, offering reduced energy consumption of 30 to 50% and aligning with global emission standards. Some newer models integrate fog light control into the infotainment touchscreen via UVO Connect. If your fog lights aren't working, first check the fuse and the bulb. Switch wear can occur after extended use around 100,000 kilometers, potentially requiring switch replacement. Some Kia owners have reported moisture ingress affecting the switch, particularly in wet climates. Regular checks and prompt repairs ensure optimal fog light performance and safety. These troubleshooting steps and maintenance tips will help keep your Kia Ceed III fog lights functioning properly and safely.